It is January 22nd, and according to the calendar that Allison gave me of every day, it's a special day. So every day of the year has something special about it. Today is National Polka Dot Day. Now, had I realized that this morning, I would have worn polka dots instead of butterflies and flowers. But, oh well, it's Polka Dot Day, just so you know, okay? All right, you've been noticing this very bare wall behind me. It's been a little picked over. The RIOS just flew out of here, and it's been hard to get it back in. And guess what? Our first order arrived today. We got in 6 colors, and I have another order of 10 coming behind that. So we will be restocked soon. But what I have is awesome. So I want to show you my new colors in RIOS. Remember, the RIOS is 100% merino. It's $21 a skein, has 210 yards, and it is a worsted to DK. Look at that gorgeous color. This is Diana. Woo! That would be my color. You know that. So gorgeous. Diana. Then we love to get in natural. It's always fun to have a lovely, creamy off-white. Indicita is a go-to here all the time. Everybody's favorite. The Swedish weavers, I think it is, that do the needlework on the monk cloth. They love this color. It's beautiful in their weaving. English Rose. Can't go wrong with English Rose. That beautiful tonal pink. Here comes the train at 5 o'clock. Frank Ochre. Love Frank Ochre. So pretty. Looks electric under that light, doesn't it? And last but not least, this gorgeous kind of bluey hunter green. It is called Pine. Perfect description. Pine. Gorgeous. I mean, look, all these are just the best. Too many tags to look at. Let's look at it that way. Awesome. All right. I think that is all that I have for you. I feel like I'm getting ready to sneeze. So before I do that, I think I'll check out for the night. Tomorrow is Tuesday, and there'll be a knit along. Ray will be having a knit along. Then we've got Wednesday and Knitters Night Out. All kinds of good stuff happening. I had my knit along slipper group today. There were 7 of us. So fun. We finished 1 slipper in 2 hours. 1 slipper in 2 hours. So next week is our second and last knit along, and we'll finish the second slipper. Fabulous. Love this pattern. We've got the kits. They're awesome. Sam See Me slippers. All right. I'll see you tomorrow.